Do you have natural hair, and have you kept your mini twist in for slightly longer than you intended to? And now the simple thought of taking those twists down literally scares you, and you're dreading wash day. The whole entire process just sends shivers down your spine. Then you clicked on the right video. Mine have been in for so long, I can see a few of them starting to lock up at the base. In this short video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my at-home detangling mask recipe that works every single time. So no more dreaded wash days, it's about to be fun. My name is Terry and I'm a YouTuber based in Accra, Ghana. And on this channel, I share skincare, makeup, hair and lifestyle videos. So if that's something you're interested in, I mean you clicked on this video, right? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Comment down below how long you've kept your twist in and if this mask was helpful to you. I'd love to know in the comment section down below. So let's just get right into it. Okay guys, bear with me on this one. This is an oats hair mask, and using this hair mask you only need your fingers to be able to effectively detangle every single knot and kink in your natural hair, and all the ingredients to make it are literally available to you probably as we speak. To start off, you're going to need only two things. You're going to be needing some water and some oats. This is mainly dependent on the amount of hair that you have. This quantity is exactly enough for my length of hair. That is 1 cup of water equals a 1/4 cup of oats. But if you have more hair, you can choose to double these ingredients so you have more mask to work with. But if you have less hair, you can conveniently slice this ratio in half and make a smaller quantity. You're going to bring the water to a boil and add in your oats. Leave to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once you've noticed that your mixture has started to boil over, take it down and sieve the mixture. All we want is the hydrolyzed oats, and we're going to be using only the extracts and not the fibrous parts. And we're going to let the mixture sit and cool down before we start using, because you're going to be using your fingers and we don't want to get burnt. So once this is cool, this is how it's going to be looking. Taking it twist by twist, I'm going to gently take down each twist using a generous amount of the hydrolyzed oats mask. Now while we're taking down these twists, let's just talk about why oats makes such an amazing detangling hair mask. Oats has several hair benefits such as strengthening, reduces breakage, softens, smoothens, repairs and protects damaged hair strands by forming a protective coating on the outside layer of your hair strands, making your hair look and feel thicker and more voluminous. Oats happens to contain nutrients such as zinc, polyunsaturated fatty acids, aka puffers, iron and fiber, all of which are great for increased hair growth, which helps to nourish and stimulate your hair follicles to create long, strong hair when used on a regular basis in your hair care regimen. This was how much shedding and breakage I had after finger detangling and combing through my entire head of hair. Mind you, this is after 3 months, maybe more, of my natural hair twist being in. I'm gonna leave this hair mask to sit on my hair for about 30 minutes. Ensure that my hair has enough time to absorb all the nutrients and goodness from this hair mask. Now I'm just gonna hop into the shower and then I'm gonna rinse out the mask. Of course, I'm gonna be using a shampoo and conditioner. I'm also going to be using a leave-in in my hair all in the shower, and the shampoo and conditioner I'm gonna be using is from Shea Moisture, and is their Shea Moisture Strength and Grow Restore shampoo and conditioner set, which contains apple cider vinegar and Jamaican castor oil. Absolutely love the scent and creaminess of these products. And of course, this year 2024, more. I'm really prioritizing the health of my natural hair, and this just helps overall to further fortify my hair against any damage. I'm also going to go in with the Not Today leave-in conditioner. I've been using this conditioner in my hair for several years now, and I still stand by it. I also added my Maybell Green Rosemary oil. After blow drying my hair, I put it in these neat cornrows. Guys, if you have any issues with doing your own cornrows, I'm gonna leave a link. I have a dedicated video on YouTube showing you guys exactly how you can do your own natural hair cornrows. I'm gonna leave it in the cards up above and in my description box down below, so you can also recreate or create your own neat looking cornrows. But yeah, this is exactly how everything turned out. It was just an easy breezy process, and I'd like to thank every single one of you for watching this video up until this point. I hope this video was helpful and you were able to learn a thing or two. Give this video a huge thumbs up if it did. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications so you never ever miss out on any of my weekly uploads, and I'm definitely gonna be seeing you in my next video. But until then, stay blessed.